the Saver Equipment retractable measuring tape. I really like this measuring tape. You get that pull sound when you click at each interval and pinch at the middle to retract it completely. It's obviously a soft tape, so you could wrap it around circular objects, bodies. It's good for medical applications in a clinic or even on job sites. You could use it for tailoring and apparel. The leather exterior gives it a really premium feel versus those other plastic, lightweight, cheap feeling measuring tapes. This is one that you want to take with you if you want to make an impression or have a really professional presentation. Size-wise, each one of these squares is an inch. So you can see it's about 2 by 2 all the way around diameter. And the full extension, let's pull it all the way out. You get real length here, 79 inches and 200 centimeters in full length. Let's give it a full retraction. Oh, that was fast. Pulls right back in, and a nice grip tab to match that green leather exterior. Made out of the same material, all stitched well throughout. Here's a close-up so you can see that detail